welcome to a new tutorial with GretaWings. We already have tutorial on this channel to make this little angel with this design on the wings, but I'm pretty sure we can make that wing better. I will use to make these wings white color yarn. This one is Symphonia brand yarn, is 100% cotton yarn, and it's about 3 millimeters. And I will use 2.5 millimeters hook. Remember, you can use whatever yarn that you prefer or the yarn that you already use on this nativity scene project. Then let's start making these wings and using white color yarn. And on round one, the slip knot with 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And starting on the chain number 3 from the hook, we will make 4 half double crochet. 1 half double crochet, 2, 3, and 4. And that's it. We already finished this round. On round 2, we will start with 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn the piece. And starting on the chain number 3 from the hook, we will start this round with 6 half double crochet. And all time on this piece, we will work taking the back loops only in all the rounds. 1 half double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we will continue working on the chains that we used on the first round to up. Yes, there. 2 half double crochet increase, taking the back loops only, okay? 1 half double crochet, 1 more in the same base. We already have the first increase. 1 more. And for the end, we will make 4 half double crochet, but this time working on the base of the first round, on the base of the half double crochets on the first round. You can work exactly on the base or on one loop, like me. 1 half double crochet, 2, 3, and 4. And we already finished this round with 14 stitches. On round 3, starting with 1 chain, turn the piece and 4 half double crochet. 1 half double crochet, 2, 3, and 4. Now 4 half double crochet increase. This is the first half double crochet increase. 2, 3, and 4. And for the end, 6 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and we already finished this round with 18 stitches. And on round 4 and the last round, we will start with 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn the piece, and starting on the chain number 3 from the hook, we will start with this round making 10 half double crochet. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. After 10 half double crochet, 4 half double crochet increase. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for the end, 6 half double crochet more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that's it. We already finished round 4 with 24 stitches. After that, one chain just for secure and cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn for sewing if you prefer that. But on my case, I will secure and hide all the threads because I will make the union using a silicone glue. Okay? But if you want to sew in, please just leave alone yarn. I'm already finished and now is the moment to make the union. But first, I need to make something that I don't recommend, never. When I made this union, I used the same silicone hat, the same silicone glue. And now I cannot make another angel because I don't have time. I have a lot of project pending. Then I will try. Maybe it works. But I don't recommend this, okay? I'm so sorry for that. If you saw in this angel because you don't see this video first, just make like me with lots of patience and be careful, please. And after that, you can see how to make the union is easy and you can put that wings in whatever position that you prefer. And then now I'm so happy with this design. I think it's better than the another one, but it's up to you. You can make whatever you prefer. Then I hope and you like this tutorial, and if it's like that, please don't forget to leave me your like and your comment. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project and I can continue making videos for you. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. I'm really appreciate it and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.